Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to delete Venmo account. In order to do so, you first have to launch your Venmo mobile application and then you just have to log in into your account by providing your email address and your password. Now once you've successfully logged in, you are going to see this Me tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. So simply need to tap on this Me tab and then you will be landed on your settings where you are going to see a bunch of different options. Now among these options, you will have to tap on account in the top. Now in the account, you are going to see close Venmo account option under account control. So you will have to tap on close Venmo account and then you will be able to see this type of pop-up in the bottom, which is that if you close your account, you won't be able to send or receive money in Venmo. So you just have to do nothing but to just click on this continue button in the bottom. Then you need to follow further on-screen instructions in order to delete your Venmo account successfully. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.